Are you thinking about to grow your business more and more? Do you want to get more likes, more comments, and more shares of your business pages and other social media accounts? Then not to worry. Aren't your Facebook connections are enough to grow your business? Then here's the easiest solution where you can invest your money to get paid promotion of your social media accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Then whom will you trust to invest your money for it? Are you looking for an experienced digital marketer to grow your business? Here I am Shering Gomes, a professional digital marketer. I am taking my courses from Nokrek IT Institute on digital marketing. I am almost done with my courses and I am ready to serve you and to promote your business pages on Facebook, Instagram and other social media accounts. Let's grow your business together. Thank you.